So I've got the glass flattened out, and I'm just trying to identify the loose bits, gently tease them out where necessary, and I'm just in a process now of when I start putting a few little simple bits back in, especially this bit here. It's probably going to be the first bit, part of the waves there. I've acquired a basic kit together. I've got the hot air gun, which is very good for just softening the lead generally, enabled to sort of tease bits out. I've got me a soldering iron as well, some 50/50 tin lead solder, and some flux, which I'll be using a bit later on. And tomorrow I'm going to go out and buy some more of this lead cane, this gear here, the sort of framework of it all, and hopefully slowly piece it all back together. But don't underestimate the size of this sort of job. There's a lot of work here, but I'm up to it anyway. More later.